everyone. This is my second round of pickling cucumbers. I didn't record the first batch I had. I had some pickling cucumbers and some lemon cucumbers. I didn't do a video, but I figured that I'd give you guys the stages of my second round of pickling cucumbers. They were growing in the pot that I have in the front yard, but I transplanted them into this bigger pot right here because I had like 6 seedlings in that pot. And I just wanted them to give them the best chance to grow so I can have more pickling cucumbers. I just gave them a good water and some fertilizer, and I'll be giving you guys an update on the stages as they grow and get bigger. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a great day.